This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ashwagandha vs Ashwagandha Pak, which is better. Watch closely as we break down ingredients, traditional uses, potency, dosing, safety, and which option fits common goals like stress relief or energy support. I will highlight preparation differences, active components, and practical tips for choosing based on age, health status, and desired effects. Stay attentive and note the simple takeaways you can apply today immediately. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb commonly used to support stress resilience, sleep quality, and balanced energy without stimulants. Most clinical preparations use root extracts standardized to withanolide content for consistent dosing and expected effects. I will explain typical dosing ranges, safety checks like medication interactions, and signs to pause use. This helps you weigh benefits versus personal risks and choose a form that matches your daily routine and health goals. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more practical comparisons. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I showed earlier, a handy kitchen companion for pack or powder prep that keeps portions tidy. Check the description for the product link and extra deals and use it to streamline your routine. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Ashwagandha Pak is a traditional, nutrient-rich preparation blending ashwagandha with carriers like ghee or milk to boost absorption and provide comforting calories. That formulation shifts how active compounds are delivered and can suit people seeking restorative support or improved palatability. I will describe common methods, who typically benefits, and practical taste and dosing tips so you can match pack versus extract to your lifestyle. Use these simple guidelines when deciding what to try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.